and these word of mixed stones. So if these don't look good on that jacket, then I'll probably just put them down the pants leg up or some jeans. Boom, boom. Come on, get in the circle, player. Now, to achieve this for a tracksuit, I gotta basically brush these in 4 times. One for one arm, one for the other arm, one for one leg, one for the other leg. But trust me, once I get done with this tracksuit, it's gonna be a one-of-a-kind tracksuit, and nobody else will have one unless, they decide to order one from me, or, they decide to, make them one. Or, if you're familiar with George Avenue V, that's really where I got the idea from. George Avenue V got a track set where he got stones going down the arms like this and down the legs. Sick. They want $320 for the tracksuit, you know what I mean? So that's why. One of a kind. Almost done brushing these in. Yeah, these stones were mixed. Mixed like crazy. But that's still cool though. I kind of like how it look. It just depends on if the it just depends on is the shirt gonna like it. Get these excess stones out right here. Usually keep a cup right here so that just a little moisture pop them stones right out of there. Just put your finger down on them. But now that I'm looking at this design, y'all, I don't know. I don't know if I want to do the mixture like this. I don't know. Let me see if I can bring y'all in here closer. And y'all tell me what y'all think. Let me see. Do 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 do. See if I can bring y'all in here closer. Gradient black and purple. Which I think, I know it looks crazy on the on this pink flock like this. Well, let's pick it up and let's set it on the jacket and see what it looks like. How that sound? We pick it up and set it on the jacket.